This video will show you how to add a welcome window to your course. Now, this window will pop up as soon as a student accesses the course homepage. And when they dismiss it, it will go away until you add a new message. So it can be very useful for rolling out new information or information that you want to ensure your students are reading. So in order to do this, we need to do a few things. The first thing that we need to do is add the welcome window widget to our homepage. Now, in order to do that, you have to create a copy of the homepage first. If you haven't done that, or you don't know how to do that, please check the tutorial that is linked in the description of this video. That will show you how to make a copy of your homepage. Once you've done that, you can come down to the bottom three dots, go edit this homepage. Once you've made a copy, you'll see that this says copy, and you're just going to add a widget. Now, it's not necessary that the students see this widget, so I like to add it at the very bottom of the right-hand column here. And if you just search for welcome, you'll see it's the D2L hosted welcome window. We click on that and go add. There it is. Save and close, and now that widget is on our homepage. And notice it gives us a little tutorial, and it tells you how to do it. All right, so we're just going to get rid of that, but that's what it's going to look like. Now, in order to get a custom message in there, we're actually going to add content. So in our content, we're going to create a new unit, and all that has to happen is that the word welcome has to be in the name of the unit. So if we do that, the welcome window will now look within this folder to pull the contents for the welcome messages. So we're just going to create a new lesson file, like you normally would when you're creating a new lesson. So new lesson file, we'll name it as welcome message. And I like using templates because it makes things look nice and it gives it a board brand. So I'm going to use a blank template. I'm going to get rid of this. And so usually we don't need titles because this name will appear as the title. So all we have to do is say, welcome to my class. And that's a message now that students will see when they first enter this course. Now, a couple little things we can talk about here. You can use replace strings. Replace strings are really nice for kind of personalizing your messages. So if I put hi and then a curly bracket, first name with F and N capitalized like that, what'll happen is whoever's entering the course, it'll replace that first name with their actual first name. So it'll say like, hi, Peter, welcome to the class. So it does add a nice personal touch to the course. So I'm going to save and close. And now that's in there. The other thing you have to be careful of is if I go to the home page now, I'll see it because I can see hidden material, but students won't be able to see it because it's hidden from students. So if you want students to see it, you just need to unhide both of those and make them visible. Now students will be able to see that message. So when I go to the course home, we get this message. Now, my first name in this account is Mr. So that's why it's showing Mr. Finney. But it'll show your first name and it says, welcome to my class. That's it. Now, if you have multiple messages in there, they'll be able to down here click through them. Once they dismiss it, again, it won't show up again until you add a new file in there, and then they will see that message. Okay, and the messages will show up in the order that they're listed in that folder. So a welcome window is a great way to be able to convey important information that you want to make sure students are seeing.